Plant FAQs. Big Daddy Hydrangea. Big Daddy Hydrangea macrophylla. Big Daddy features some of the largest flowers of any hydrangea. The plant has strong stems, making the blooms good for cutting. It grows 6 feet tall and wide. Big Daddy Hydrangea, a show-stopping bloom worth the effort. The Big Daddy Hydrangea. Just the name conjures images of colossal, vibrant flowers bursting with life. And let me tell you, this hydrangea lives up to its name. These magnificent shrubs boast blooms that can reach a staggering 14 inches across, transforming your garden into a breathtaking spectacle. But with great beauty comes responsibility, and the Big Daddy requires a little extra TLC to thrive. Over the years, I've learned the secrets to keeping this giant happy, and I'm here to share them with you. From pruning techniques to blooming cycles, this guide will equip you with the knowledge to cultivate a Big Daddy hydrangea that's the envy of the neighborhood. Big Daddy Hydrangea versus Endless Summer. In my garden, Big Daddy Hydrangea stands out with its large, showy blooms and more substantial, bold foliage, while Endless Summer has impressed me with its consistent, reliable flowering all season long. I've found Big Daddy's blooms are spectacular but can be a bit temperamental with the weather, whereas Endless Summer is more forgiving and keeps delivering beautiful blooms even after a harsh winter. When to prune Big Daddy Hydrangea. Timing is everything when it comes to pruning the Big Daddy. Prune too early, and you risk sacrificing next season's blooms. Prune too late, and you might accidentally remove flower buds that are already forming. The sweet spot. Late winter or early spring, before new growth emerges. This allows the plant to focus its energy on producing those massive blooms you crave. Do I prune the Big Daddy Hydrangea? Absolutely. Pruning is crucial for maintaining the Big Daddy's size and shape, encouraging healthy new growth, and maximizing flower production. Think of it as giving your hydrangea a haircut. It removes dead, diseased, or overcrowded branches, allowing the plant to breathe and channel its resources towards the good stuff, those enormous, show-stopping blooms. How to prune Big Daddy Hydrangea. Here's where the magic happens. Grab your pruning shears and follow these steps. Remove dead, diseased, or damaged branches. These branches are not contributing to the plant's health and can harbor pests or diseases. Cut them off at their base. Thin, overcrowded branches. If branches are rubbing against each other or creating a congested mess, thin them out to improve air circulation and prevent disease. For size control, prune flower stems that have finished blooming. Cut them back to a healthy pair of buds just above a set of leaves. This encourages new growth and keeps the plant from becoming overgrown. For bushier growth, encourage new shoots by making heading cuts. This involves cutting back thicker stems by about 1/3 to a half their length. Remember, always use sharp, clean pruning shears to avoid damaging the plant. Does Big Daddy Hydrangea bloom on new wood? This is a good question, and the answer is yes. The Big Daddy Hydrangea can bloom on new wood. This means that even if you prune away some flower buds during winter pruning, the plant can still produce some blooms on the new growth it puts on in the spring and summer. However, these blooms might be smaller or less prolific than those produced on old wood, the previous year's growth. Additional tips for Big Daddy success. Here are some bonus tips to ensure your Big Daddy thrives. Plant it in well-drained, acidic soil. Big Daddy dislikes soggy feet, so ensure proper drainage. Amend the soil with organic matter like compost to increase acidity and nutrient content. Water regularly, especially during hot weather. Aim for deep watering that reaches the roots, allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Fertilize with an acidic fertilizer in early spring. This will encourage vibrant blooms. Enjoy the show. Once your Big Daddy bursts into bloom, you can admire its beauty for weeks on end. You can even cut some flower heads for stunning indoor arrangements. With a little care and these simple pruning techniques, your Big Daddy Hydrangea will become a cherished centerpiece of your garden year after year.